Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited to be here again. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Well, in today's video, I'll be teaching you something very wonderful. I'll be teaching you how to create text animation. Yes, you heard me right. How to animate your text, how to give life to your text. If you're a business person or you're a content creator, if you're someone who posts video online, you will agree with me that animated texts have a way of keeping you glued to a video. Yes, you will agree with me. When you see text moving, you see the text moving left, moving right, moving up, and all that, it makes you want to watch that video. It makes you want to know what that video is all about. Unlike when the text is just fixed and not moving. Okay. Yes. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to, add life to your text. So all you need to do is to sit tight. When I mean sit tight, I mean just watch this video to the end so you will grab every information I'll be unleashing on this video. You know the usual thing, eh? Please do not forget to hit the red subscribe button. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You guys have been so wonderful. You guys have been watching my videos. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So please, if you know that you're here to subscribe, please do not forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to know about it. So just sit tight, go nowhere, and watch this video to the end. Alright, in this video I'll be teaching you how to animate your text, like how to add life to your text. To do this, you will need a video editing app. So for this tutorial, I'll be using one of my favorite apps, which is Capcut. This app is actually it's just the bomb. Okay, the user interface is so friendly and it has lots and lots of wonderful features which you might have to pay for if you're using other video editing apps. All you just need to do with this app is just make sure you are connected to your internet. So I'll just dive right into the app. So I'll click on Capcut and it brings me to this page. So from here, since I'm creating a new project, I'll click on new project and it brings me to where I can select the video or photo of my choice, like the video or photo on which I want to inscribe this text. So I'll just click on this video down here and then I'll add the video. So after adding the video, if you look down, you'll see edit audio, text, and all this. So you can just click on text. But before I do that, let me reduce the volume of this video to avoid any form of distraction. So volume, let me just reduce the volume to say about 30. Okay, fine, we're good to go. So I've done that. After that, it brings me back to this page. So from here, I'll just click on text and add text, then I'll type in what I want to animate. So let's say I'll type how to animate text. Okay, then click on back. So after this, you can now beautify your text. As you can see, this text is just plain. It has white color, so you can change the color here. You can click on this is color black, red, just change the color. So I'll be using white. You can further beautify your text by adding stroke to it. So this is the stroke. You can click on stroke and you can click on the black stroke, red stroke, whichever kind of stroke you want. So I'll just leave it on the black stroke. So you can, okay, sorry about that. You can further beautify this by, clicking on this already installed text templates. Here we have them here. So you can click on any, just in case you don't want to go through the stress or, adding color, strokes, background. Now let me show what I mean. If I click on this yellow, see, it changes it to yellow. Click on this, it makes it look like this. So I don't want all this, so I'll just go with the one I started with. Can go with this or this. So let me just leave it at this. So you can also go ahead to beautify your text by changing the font. So as you can see here, we have different fonts. We have the Terror, you have Midnight. I already downloaded all this one, so you can download and select any one of your choice. So for this tutorial, I'll be using this Falcon. It's very beautiful. So this is the Falcon. Okay, this is what it looks like. So it's just so beautiful. So after doing this, you can now reduce the size of your text. Just click on it and then you reduce. All right, After that, you can now move your text to where you want the text to be. So I want the text to be here. I'll just leave it there. So after all this, you can go ahead to beautify your text by adding effects. Now this effect, as you can see, these are pre-installed effects. Like you want your text to have a certain color, you can just click on any of this, but I don't want all that. You can also add bubble to your text. You can once you just click on bubble like this is what I mean. Okay, but I don't want this, so I'll just click on this this. So now just go straight to animating my text. So I'll click on animation. It brings me here. Now as you can see, we have the in, we have out, and we have loop. Now this in is just how you want the text to come into the picture or into the video. So now we are in, so let me I'll click on the different animated templates or animation templates. As you can see, we have lots and lots of them. Okay, and trust me, you just have some of the, if you use other video editing apps, you're limited to just like 3 or 4 5 or so. This one have lots. It's over 20 here, but I don't want to go through all that. So let me click on the first one so you see. Now this is open, and this is how the text is going to be. So this is dissolve. This is how it's going to, sorry, it's still loading. Okay, you can click on that. This is how it's going to look. 9, like this arrow you see here is just the time, like how long, the duration, like how long you want the opening of the text to last. So if I drag it forward, so let me click on the open again so you'll see. Okay, as you can see, this is how it's going to be. If I click on open, and this is how it's going to be. So you can click on, let me just download all this. So let me download. So okay, let me just download them so you see. All right, okay, all right, so now let me just pick them one by one. So you can click on clock wipe. If you click on clock wipe, this is how it's going to be. So like I told you earlier, this arrow down is just to adjust the timing of the text. All right, you can click on sunrise. You can see it's like that. You can just pick any intro. Okay, sorry, just pick any of this template. So let me click on spiral so you see how it looks like. Okay, now I'll leave it at spiral, and I'll leave it at this first. Okay, after this you click on this mark sign. Once you click on mark sign, it brings it. So let us play the video so you see what it looks like. Click on it. Okay, you've seen that, right? Now, so if you want this text to last throughout the video, you click on this animated, this where you have this how to animate down here. Click on it, then you drag it. Okay, depending on how long you want the text to be on the video or on the picture. So let me just leave it, let me just drag it to this point and stop it because this video is quite long. So now this is how the text is going to come in. Now the next thing is, now you might not want to, okay, let's say I want the text to last up to this point. Now you might want to now also add how you want the text to leave the screen. To do that, you still click on style. Okay, when you click on style, it brings you to this place. Then you click on animation. Once you get to animation, you now click on out. All right, click on out. This out means this is how you want the text to leave the screen. So when you click on out, it will also load some other wonderful templates, just the way it did for the in. Sorry, my internet connection is a bit slow. Yeah, fine. So these are what we have here. So let me just download them. Download for the purpose of this tutorial. Let me just download okay. So right, wave out. Okay, blow away. All right, so let me just stop here. Now after downloading all this, now you have to select you have to select the particular animation you want. So let's see, for this tutorial I'll just select on blow away. So as you can see, it's so fast. So you can also adjust duration of this text here. This blue one is for the open, is for how the text is going to come in, while the red is for how the text is going to leave. So we're going to click on the red one so you can adjust. So after adjusting, you can see how it's leaving the screen. So you can also adjust this in. So So you can see this is how it's going to come into the picture or into the video. And so after that, you just click on the mark sign. Okay, and after that, so this is what we have here. So I'll just, okay, as you can see, this is the in. So let me just make it, let me fast forward it. Okay, and this is how it's going to leave the screen. So as you can see, it's so easy. It's so easy. So you can move this your animation to any part of the video or the picture where you want it to be. You also have to be very creative about this. Like, there are a lot of things you can do. Okay, there are other things you can do with this, but for this tutorial I'll just stop here, and then in my next tutorial I'll be teaching you how to do other things. So thank you for tuning into my channel. Please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and also like my videos and watch my videos to the end. Thank you. Bye.